Hello friend, this question from the part test 2, subject name is EDC, topic name is semiconductor theory. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that a sample of a G is doped to the extent of 10 raised to the power 14 donor per atom and 513 acceptor per atom. Okay, so my donor atom concentration is 10 raised to the power 14 per atoms and per cc atoms per cc, and my acceptor level concentration is 5 into 10 raised to the power 13 atoms per cc. At the 300 Kelvin, question says that the resistivity of the intrinsic germanium is 60 ohm centimeter. If the electric field is given to you 2 volt per centimeter, then total current conduction current density you need to find out. It also given to you that mu p is equal to mu n by 2. It means that mu n will be equal to twice of mu p. It is given to you. Mu n will be equal to twice of mu p. It is given to you that intrinsic carrier concentration is given to you 2.5 into 10 to the power 13 centimeter square. You know that my conductivity is equal to nq intrinsic carrier concentration times charge into mu n plus mu p, and 1 by sigma is rho, so my rho will be 1 upon intrinsic carrier concentration into charge into mu n plus mu p, where we know that mu n is equal to twice of mu p. It will become intrinsic carrier concentration into charge into size of mu p. The resistivity is given to us, so my mu p will be equal to 1 upon 3 Ni q times rho. Just put the values and you will get it as 1 upon 3 into 1.6. Ni is 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. This is the charge of the electron. Ni is 2.5 into 10 to the power 13, okay, into 60. 60 is the resistivity of a material. So I will get my mu p value is equal to 1.1388 centimeters square per second. It's my mu p. If I know the mu p, it means I know the mu n, because my mu n is nothing but twice of mu p. Now let's take the we need to calculate the current conduction current density, which is sigma is J is equal to sigma E, and sigma we know that Q mu n Ni plus mu n plus mu p times E, because we know the donor atom concentration and acceptor atom concentration, we also know that, okay, and we know the electric field intensity is also given to us as 2 volt per centimeter. Just put all these values and get the answer. 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 my electron density. My electron current concentration will be 2 into 1388 into into donor atom concentration is 10 to the power 14. 10 to the power 14 is my total donor atom concentration, plus mu p is 1388 into acceptor atom concentration is given to us 5 into 10 to the power 13. 5 into 10 to the power 13 into electric field E, which is 2 volt per centimeter. So you will getting as electric current density as 111.04 milliampere per centimeter square. So electric current density as 111.04 electric current density square. Thank you.